Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, we're going to be comparing a high-end razor versus a low-end razor. If you want to see which one is better, then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so today's video is going to be very interesting. But first I want to say, you cannot judge me on this, you guys. Do not judge.
Oh my god.
Can you stop? This channel is not here. I am not here for you guys to judge me, so please don't judge me. But honestly, you guys are going to see why in a little bit. But like I said, we're going to be comparing razors and also shaving creams. So pretty much this is a Venus Gillette Sensitive Razor. This is $12.99 at Target. And the shaving cream also is from Venus. This one is an ultra moisturizing one, and this one is $2.99 at Target as well. So I thought to myself, honestly, sometimes we waste so much money, you know, like buying razors. Just being a girl in general is so expensive. But why not just go to the 99-cent store and just buy a 3-pack for $1? And this is also for sensitive skin. And also a shaving cream, you know, that's also for sensitive skin for $1. So how can we compare $2 to almost $15 in just two things? So I decided today just to make a video to see if it's worth spending $15 versus $2, because you know you gotta save your coins, you gotta be smart with your money. So I decided to let my hairs grow out from my legs. I've been letting them grow out for like, I want to say 3 months, honestly, you guys. And they are pretty hairy. So trigger warning, if you have like a phobia with hair or something, then don't watch this video. But if you're interested in watching to see if you can save some coins, then definitely keep on watching. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna zoom you guys in on my legs. Like I said before, don't judge me. We've all been there once in our lifetime where our legs are hairy. Maybe not this hairy, but us as girls sometimes let our hairs grow out because, you know, why not? And honestly, if my husband doesn't mind it, then you guys shouldn't mind it either, because he's the one that has to deal with this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start shaving. So I'm gonna go ahead and reveal to you guys my legs. I'm kind of embarrassed, but I'll be okay. Let's go ahead and start off with the high end. We're gonna start off with Venus. No, these are not Omar's legs. These are my legs. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with this Venus. Can you see it? We have our Venus shaver. It looks like I have clogged the razor. That looks disgusting. Why are you laughing? I can honestly make a wig out of this. Just kidding. You guys, that is so disgusting. Why are you just laughing at me? I can't believe I've let them grow. Like, I've let them grow before, but not like this long. And it's funny because like I wear shorts sometimes, like around the house, or like my pajama dresses, and my nephews are like, oh my god, you have hairier legs than me. They're like, shave your legs, and I'm like, no, I want to make a video. So today is the day that I made the video finally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one leg off camera, and I'll be back so we can continue with the other leg with the 99-cent store razor. So as you guys can see, this leg is done. This one was done by the Gillette Sensitive Razor. I did cut myself a little bit on the back of my ankle, but it's okay. My leg even looks lighter compared to a not shaved one. You see a difference? Now we're gonna go with the 99 cent store razor. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of my leg off camera and I will be back. Okay you guys, so I am done with the 99 cent store shaver. It feels pretty good, pretty soft also. With this one I did not cut myself. The good thing about the 99 cent store is that the blades are sharp but not as sharp, so it's easy for me to go ham. I don't have to worry about cutting myself. So that's the good thing about the 99 cent store. Pretty much what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and have Omar feel both legs and he's gonna tell me, being 100% honest, which one is better or if he feels a difference. Don't go up my thigh because that's not done.
Okay.
So there's that one. And I'll feel this one.
Honestly, they both were identical.
They both are identical?
Yeah.
So there you have it, ladies. You don't have to break the bank in order to get super soft and smooth legs. Honestly, for me, I feel like you don't really have to spend $13 on a razor, especially those, because you have to like refill the blade. But I feel like that's what's more expensive. It's like cheaper just to buy new razors because the refillables are really expensive, like the little cartilages. But honestly, you don't really have to waste $13. You can just go to the 99 cent store and honestly it works the same. They both, like Omar said, you guys saw, they both feel the same. So you honestly don't really have to break the bank unless you prefer going to Target instead of the 99 cent store. Maybe you're too bougie to go to the 99 cent store, so that's why you go to Target, but you're missing out, girl. Sometimes they have really good stuff at the 99 cent store. So like I said, they both do the same thing. Your legs both feel the same using either a high end or using a low end. They both feel the same, and why wouldn't you want to save yourself a couple bucks? You can use those extra bucks to buy a hamburger combo. You know what I'm saying? And if you like Starbucks, then you can just go ahead and buy yourself a caramel frappuccino. You know what it is. And as far as the shaving creams, again, they both do the same job. The 99 cent store has a little bit more product, but I do prefer the smell of the Venus Olay one. This one smells good too. I prefer the smell of this one. This is $2.99. That was pretty much it, you guys, for this video. I thought it would be really fun, really interesting to doing this type of video. Like I said, don't judge me. Do not come for me. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, just comparing kind of brands or comparing price ranges, let me know your ideas down below. And I'll be more than happy to go ahead and fulfill those ideas. And also, if you're not part of the beauty family, then you're already on my channel. Just go ahead and click that red button and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, and if you're already a beauty family member, but you enjoy my channel, then make sure to share this channel with your friends, family, grandma, abuelo, abuelita, nieces, nephews, friends, cousins. Share this channel so our family can keep on growing, guys. Whether you like, comment, share, even just watch the video, it really helps out this channel. So make sure you do your thing down there in the comment section. Make sure you're liking and make sure, of course, that you are subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. He's like, boo. If you want to see which one is better, then definitely. If you want to check if you want to see, shh.